Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. If you are new here, please subscribe, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. I am finally posting my hair care routine video. So many of you have requested this for so long and it is finally ready to go. And if you do want to see how I treat my hair, then keep watching. This has truly been a long journey for me because I have suffered with dry scalp since high school. It was tough, the flakes were annoying, the itchiness, it was just so frustrating at times and really quite embarrassing. I think I spoke about this before where I've actually had to delete content because of how prominent the flakes were showing on camera. I was just like, yeah, no, I can't post that. But I have finally found a resolution, and it only cost a little over 20 TT dollars. That's right, just 20 TT dollars. And just like me, I am sure a lot of you have that same ingredient in your pantry right now, and that is Himalayan pink salt. You can also use sea salt. I just had this on hand. I have incorporated this into my hair care routine about 4 to 5 weeks ago, and it really has improved not just the dandruff, like I don't see a lot of it, but I feel like this has really helped balance my scalp. Like I do have an oily scalp and it tends to have a lot of buildup, but this has somehow neutralized my scalp in that it doesn't get as greasy as often as it used to. And definitely, like between washes, my hair is still a lot cleaner compared to when I didn't use this. In the past, what would happen is that I would shampoo my hair, let's say Monday, and by Wednesday or Thursday my hair is already oily and greasy and just ready for another wash, which was quite annoying. Like I like to wash my hair at least once a week, but since I've incorporated the pink salt in my routine, I would notice I would wash my hair, let's say again Monday, and by Friday or Saturday my hair is still pretty fresh. Like my scalp is not as greasy as it once used to be. There's not a lot of buildup. There is some, like it has not completely removed all of my dry scalp issues. It's still there, but very slight. Like compared to what it used to be, it definitely has improved. Like I would say 95% improved. And I really am surprised that such a simple product like Himalayan pink salt could make such a drastic change in my hair. And I really can't see myself without this product. Like I love it so much. I feel like I owe it a lot. My hair just feels so much better, it's healthier, and mainly my scalp, it still has a little way to go, but I know for a fact I have never seen my scalp like this clean before. Even though the Himalayan pink salt is great on its own, I personally needed something with a little bit more strength, so I incorporated some tea tree oil in my routine. This has also helped me a lot. Like I can see and feel a difference in my scalp, especially when I use this with the salt. But tea tree oil is a really great antifungal treatment, and I do have 1 or 2 sores in my head that like I may have over itched in the past, and this has really soothed those areas. The trick is to not use a lot of this at all. I would say between 3 to 5 drops per shampoo. This is extremely strong, so you need to be careful. Those are the 2 main products that have genuinely helped me with my dry scalp issues. All of the other products and little gadgets and tools that I use, I will explain why I use them during the course of this video. So if you guys want to see more about my hair care, please keep watching. So this is my hair dirty after about 6 days, my crazy hair. And I like to brush out the knots in my hair before I take a shower. Time to hop in the bathroom. In my bathroom, I keep my Himalayan pink salt and a little bowl to empty it in. It's just easier to work that way. I empty about 3 to 4 tablespoons. I just eyeball it, to be honest. That seems about right. I first need to wet my hair in this cold shower. I make sure to properly rinse my hair. I then take half the amount of salt I emptied and I put 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil. You can see the struggle. This smells like a spa. For shampoo, I used my Not Your Mother's Blonde Treatment Shampoo because I still have some blonde highlights that I need to protect. And I pour just enough to make this paste, which I then use as a scalp scrub almost. So I really work it into my scalp, not the hair itself, but my scalp. Really making sure that I rub it all up in there. Now I pour some more shampoo for the rest of my hair and I really work it in. This is for like the tail of my hair and the scalp. Really just work that in and incorporate it all. Then I go in with my scalp scrubber. This is a new purchase for me, but I have wanted this so long to help exfoliate my scalp. And honestly, this feels like such a best head massage. It's so good. Making sure to scrub every area of my scalp. The ends of my hair are always the last part to shampoo, so I'm just working that in. And then I give myself a really good rinse, making sure to get rid of all of that shampoo and waste. I am repeating the same step for a second time, so yes, I'm going back in with another salty scrub in my scalp. Giving it a good rinse. Time for my favorite part, which is conditioner, and I take a good amount of that and I rub it in the palm of my hands and then I work it from my scalp all the way to the ends of my hair. To fully incorporate the conditioner, I use my wet brush to brush out any knots in my hair as well as to help distribute that conditioner evenly. I then go ahead and give that a good rinse because I hate the feeling of like a heavy conditioner in my hair, and this is in no way like that, but I just love to make sure that my hair is squeaky clean. After my hair is washed, it's time to put on my turban. Ma'am, it's not that way. Come on, get it together. There we go. Do a little turban dance and then head to the bedroom. Now it's time to get this turban off of my head because it is soaking at this point in time. Do a little dreadlock shake and a not so sexy hair flip. As you can see, my hair is still pretty damp and that's a no-no. On the days that I don't blow dry my hair, I use these two products. This is the Not Your Mother's Smooth Moves Frizz Cream. This really does help to tame flyaways. And I also use this Suave Define and Shine Serum Gel. These two together are a dream combo on my non-blow drying days. But for today's video, I want to show you guys how my hair looks dried. So I am gonna blow dry. My holy grail blow drying heat protectant cream is this one by Briogeo. It's called their Farewell Frizz Cream. I take a good dollop of this because, as you can see, I have extremely long hair. This honestly makes my hair look like I straighten it all the time when it's really just this product and my blow dryer that I use. So I evenly distribute this on my hair, especially focusing on the ends of it. Now it's time to pull out the big gun, and this is my Conair blow dryer. I've had this for like about 10 years now, and the diffuser did break, but it still gets the job done, as you can see. And I have no particular procedure when it comes to blow drying my hair. I don't sectionize or anything like that. I just go ham with my hair. Flip piece there, blow dry that. You can see it's just no method to this madness. I do like to flip over my hair to the front to make sure I get the back of my hair really dry. Sexy hair flip again. Almost there. So when I feel like it's almost dried, I like to take my brush and again comb through my hair just to see how long again I might have to be blow drying. This usually takes me about, I would say, 15 minutes max. So I'm just really combing it through, making sure it's smooth before I go in with another blow drying session. Time for the final blow dry. And this is much quicker because it's almost completely dried. So I'm just really focusing on the ends. And the back of my hair again as well. I get a lot of headaches that start there, so I really need to make sure it's completely dry. I take my wet brush one more time and pass it through my hair. And to seal in the sleekness of my hair, I go in with the Suave Moroccan Argan styling oil. I take about 3 to 4 pumps of this and I really focus it on the ends of my hair after I warm it up between the palm of my hands. And whatever is left on my hands, I pass it on the highlights that frame my face. And I give one final brush through to evenly distribute that. And as you can see, I am left with very soft, smooth, sleek hair. It looks like it's been flat ironed. Like this Briogeo cream is the best. And you can see it's all the way to the ends. My hair just looks so healthy. Honestly, I feel like sometimes I can't stop touching it, especially after that first day wash. It's the best. And that concludes my hair care routine video. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you did, as well as drop me a comment and let me know if you're thinking about using pink Himalayan salt in your shampoo, or if you already do, and let me know how it works for you. And if you have any tips and tricks about dry scalp, your girl always willing to listen. So please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you haven't already. I appreciate you guys so much watching my videos and for all of the support. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.